Alright people, what's going on? Alright, I have a 2005 Mazda 3 and it's the Automagic as they call it and the forums are the automatic. Now basically for the past couple months I've been experiencing some rattling. I've been hearing some rattling noises on the acceleration. Now you only hear the noise between, I would say, between 1500 to 24 RPMs. Now basically, I narrowed down the problem to being the belt tensioner. Here it is. This was the issue. Cool? Now, this is the new belt tensioner that I had put on. This is the old belt tensioner. You see how that looks disgusting? Anyways, now, to give an idea of how defective this thing is, I'm going to shake this back and forth. You hear that? Yeah. That same sound you're hearing, that's how it sounded when accelerating. That rattling noise, it sounded annoying, especially when it was hooked up to the belt here. It became even more audible in the cabin. Even outside, it sounded like a mashed up car going down the road, yo. That thing was annoying. But anyways, sidetracking from that. So yeah, this was the culprit. Now if you're having similar issues like that, look into this. This is chances are this is what the issue was. Get that thing changed, put it on there, you're good to go. As far as the installation, yo, the installation is dirt simple. Listen to me, I'm not mechanically inclined, but it took me around 10-15 minutes to take this thing off. And that was me taking my very, very slow time. Now, there's a nut here. You get your socket, boom, find a socket to fit this. Put it in there, push it back towards the firewall to release tension off the belt. Cool? Once you release tension off the belt, you pull off the belt and then you proceed to removing these 3 nuts. 1, 2, 3. Once those 3 nuts are off, you just pull this off and do everything in reverse and just put on the new one. It's dirt simple, guys. Dirt simple. Also, once you line up the belt, make sure everything is on the pulleys properly, yo. Cause you don't want to, when you turn the car on, yo, your belt flying all over the damn place. So just make sure you double check your the tension and make sure everything is nice and tight. And also, if your belt have any cracks in it, it doesn't hurt to check. I have a new belt on it, so I don't need to do that. Chances are me need a water pump. Yo, sorry for this disgusting engine though, but the car runs fine, no complaints. So yeah, bad belt tensioner. Yeah, so guys, if you have any issues, yo, look into this. And this belt tensioner is by Gates, and the build quality is good, if not as good as the original one. So yeah, this thing's no good anymore. Yeah, that belongs in the garbage right now. So yeah, alright guys, if you have any issues, y'all, questions or concerns, I'm gonna post this link up on the forums to help out anybody else who've been having this issue. Alright guys, take it easy.